Today we are going to read Bear Snores On. Karma Wilson wrote the words and Jane Chapman drew the pictures. In a cave in the woods, in the deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And the hare pops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." That's a good idea. "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up. Cozy down and dig in." What does divvy them up mean? They're going to share. And they nibble and they munch with the chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. He must be very tired. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Here they all come to try and get out of the cold. Mole mutters, "What a night!" "What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They're all around that nice warm fire. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Look at all these forest friends having fun in the bear's lair. Hare stokes the fire. Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear. Wonder what's going to happen. Achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Look at them right here. The bear is awake and they don't know what to do. So they just stop and freeze. Nobody's moving anywhere. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. How are the animals feeling in this picture? They woke up that bear, and how are they feeling? Looks like they're a little bit scared. They're not sure what that bear's going to do. Let's find out. You've snuck in my lair, and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping, and I have had none. He's had no fun while he was sleeping. And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss, look, see. We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. So Mouse wants to be his friend and share some fun with him. And I think that makes Bear happy. He's got a nice smile on his face. Oh yes. Bear gulps, Bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. Spins tall tales. I wonder what that is. Telling stories. Maybe Bear is sharing stories with his friends. When the sun pecks up and a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. They've all gone to sleep, and now Bear is awake. The end.